1 million years ago, the world was wild, open, and unforgiving. There were no villages, no families as we know them today. Only small groups of early humans moved together to survive. In a vast land of tall, dry grass and scattered trees, 5 male friends lived and traveled as one group. They all looked similar: tall, lean bodies, strong arms, dark skin shaped by the sun, and faces that were almost human, yet still carried ancient features. Heavy brows, wide noses, strong jaws. Like the man in the image, they were not animals, but not fully modern humans either. They stayed together. They hunted together. They survived together. Every day was a fight against hunger. The 5 men carried no bags, no tools except stones and sticks. They slept under open skies and near rocks. Fire was rare and precious. Knowledge was passed by watching, not speaking. One morning, as the sun rose high, the group stopped near the edge of a dense forest. One of them, the most curious among the 5, stepped forward. He often explored new places to find food, water, or shelter. The others watched him carefully. This land was dangerous, but exploration was survival. The man walked into the forest alone. The air became cooler. Tall trees blocked the sun. Strange sounds echoed: birds, insects, unknown movements. He moved slowly, touching tree bark, breaking branches, observing everything. For the people of that time, every new thing was knowledge. He discovered unusual plants, strange roots, and unfamiliar smells. Some he recognized, others were completely new. He stopped near a rocky clearing where the ground was damp. There he found something he had never seen before. On the ground were soft, fleshy growths, unlike fruits or roots. They looked harmless, fresh, easy to eat. Curiosity won. He tasted a small piece. Nothing happened. He ate more. At first his body felt fine. Then slowly, something changed. A sharp pain hit his stomach. He froze. The pain grew stronger, spreading through his body. He bent forward, holding his stomach tightly. His breathing became heavy. His legs weakened. The forest around him felt distant. He tried to walk. He failed. The man collapsed onto the ground. His vision darkened. He lost consciousness. The forest fell silent. From between the trees, something massive moved. A giant lion of that ancient age appeared, far larger than lions today. Taller, heavier, its muscles rolled beneath its skin. Its presence alone was terrifying. The lion approached the unconscious man. It sniffed him. Then, with powerful jaws, it lifted the man's body. Slowly, the giant lion walked away, carrying him toward the rocky hills. Not far behind, the other 4 friends had followed the explorer. They saw everything. They saw their friend fall. They saw the giant lion. Fear filled their bodies, but they did not run. They watched silently as the lion carried their friend away. They followed. From a distance, they saw the lion enter a deep cave. The 4 men stopped. They knew this moment would decide everything. They picked up thick wooden sticks. Using sharp stones, they scraped and struck the wood again and again. Slowly, the ends became pointed, sharp like primitive knives. No words were spoken, only purpose. The 4 men entered the cave. The smell of the lion filled the air. The beast roared. The fight was brutal. Wood struck flesh. Stones cut skin. The lion attacked with terrifying force, but the men moved together, surrounding it, striking again and again. After a violent struggle, the giant lion collapsed. Silence returned. Inside the cave, they found their friend, still alive. They lifted him and carried him out, along with the lion's massive body. They moved back to open land. One man crushed green medicinal plants between stones. He mixed them with water and slowly poured the liquid into their friend's mouth. Time passed. The man coughed. His eyes opened. He was alive. Using stones, they struck sparks and built a fire. With sharp stone tools made from the lion's own claws, they removed the skin, carefully leaving the head untouched. The entire body was placed over fire. The smell of cooked meat filled the air. They ate, they jumped, they moved wildly in celebration. Not because they killed a lion, but because they survived together. That night under the open sky, the 5 men stayed close to the fire. They had learned something new. Not all food is safe. Danger is everywhere, and survival belongs to those who stand together. 1 million years ago, before history, before language, before memory, these 5 men wrote their story with courage, pain, and fire.